Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. This is a video I wanted to make for a couple days now, but I've been pretty busy and there's a storm going on outside. So yeah, streets are kind of flooded. So got a little bit of time today before work, and let's talk about, of course, a lot of people have already talked about it, but the Verizon new plans and how it's it's not benefiting anybody but Verizon. So I kind of wanted to make this video because a lot of companies, especially the cell phone carriers, are making extreme changes, with people saying that recession is coming and this and that. Like I said, it does feel like it's coming because if they're making cutbacks, and if companies, should I say, if companies are making cutbacks or they're trying to make squeeze as much profit as possible, then this is a good way for Verizon to do it. So it says Verizon's new plans make sense to nobody except Verizon. So I like this title. A new way for Verizon to make money off of you just dropped. So instead of them saying, hey, they just launched this new plan that's going to be cheaper and better for you, give you all the same benefits. No, they're actually, they're making it a little bit cheaper, but they're taking a lot of benefits or perks, like they call it, away from you. So let's get into it, guys, and see what's going on with it. It says, hey, did you hear Verizon has incredible out of the goodness of its heart has incredibly out of the goodness of its heart revealed new phone plans that don't include bloated service bundles. Now that's a thing. Verizon and T-Mobile and most carriers, even AT&T, they have HBO Max. They give you these perks or these, hey, get this plan, you get this and this. It's true. Verizon, out of all of them, is the most bloated one. They were giving you like 10 different things. I swear, pick this one, pick that one. It was pretty confusing for some people. But, now they're trying to make it a lot easier, kind of like a la carte, So it says, how thoughtful. There's just one catch. They're kind of less expensive, except not really, because things that used to be included are now an extra $10 per month each. Yeah. So before you get like 3 things for the same price. Now it's, oh, you want this, $10. Oh, you want that, $10. So per item, it's $10 per month each. That's pretty expensive. At that rate, you might as well go ahead and just get it yourself. I don't know. Like Apple Music's what, $10 a month? Sorry, my hair. Like I said, I was out there talking to the neighbors and got wet. So like at this point, I don't even understand. Why don't you just get it yourself? It's not even included anymore. Like if you want, like I said, Apple Music's $10. Well, it's $10 a month as a perk on Verizon. So, I don't even know all the perks, but we'll get into it. It says, wait, that kind of sucks. Who exactly comes out ahead of the new plans? Of course, Verizon. It says, on the surface, the new plans sound simpler than the current get more, play more. And it's true. Like I said, it was pretty confusing. There are 2 options now. So an expensive one and a bit less expensive one. It says, and you add the extra service you want, like Disney Plus / Hulu bundle or Apple Music Family a la carte. Sorry, all the neighbors out there shaking the flood. That's nice in theory, but if you're switching from one of the current unlimited plans, it's very likely you'll need to pay more if you want the same things you used to get included with your monthly rate. That's one thing that I actually see with Verizon, guys. Yeah, they're the most expensive ones, but remember, you were getting different perks. So you were getting different perks. So I was kind of like justifying that a little bit there. It says, for example, it says this person, I'd lose the Disney bundle if I switch from my current plan. So that's pretty cool that they're saying now if you have the current rate plan, it looks like you will be able to keep the rate and get grandfathered into that plan. It says like this person that lose the Disney bundle if they switch from the current plan, play more, to the new Unlimited Plus plan. Even though I'd still be paying $80 per month. Sure, the new plan comes with unlimited premium data, which my current plan doesn't offer, but I'd rather watch The Handmaid's Tale for free and live with some theoretical data cap I'm sure I never hit. So pretty cool. So that is nice that Unlimited Plus does have unlimited priority data, but I'll tell you, I have priority data too, and I've used Verizon before. It still slows down. It says, as always, Verizon isn't looking for ways to help us save money. Verizon, of course, it's a for-profit company. They're looking ways for Verizon to make more money. Like I said, it's guys, they don't care about me or you. It's all the companies, they care about themselves because, like I said, it's a business in the end of the day. So Says it's probably very expensive for Verizon to maintain bundle deals in cloud storage space on plans where customers aren't using them. That is kind of true. So Verizon's paying all these features to have cloud storage, to have bundle deals, which, you know, someone has to pay for it, and of course that's Verizon. It's pretty expensive for them to have all this. So for them to have it and people not use it, I kind of do understand that part. It says Verizon is ensuring that it's only paying for services you're actually using, and when Disney raises its subscription fees, Verizon isn't stuck footing the bill for the increase. It says on top of all that, these plans are just plain confusing. There's an old plan called the Welcome Unlimited, which I do remember that's not even that old that they came out with, and a new plan called Unlimited Welcome. So wait a minute. So one's called Welcome Unlimited, one's called Unlimited Welcome. It says also Verizon is still playing its cute little game of not including ultra wideband, mid-band 5G on its low tier plan. Only the much slower nationwide version, which is largely just LTE dressed up as 5G. Ooh, dissing. It says the plan may be new, but there's part of the same old game of wireless carriers in this country love creating new plans, make them more expensive in a way that's difficult to understand, and then push customers onto the new plans by dangling free phones in front of them. And that is true. Like I said, that's how they get these. So that's another thing with carriers. Like I said, I've been in the cell phone industry almost 10 years. Yeah, you can keep your old plan, guys. Sure, you know, the carriers are like, hey, I go ahead and keep it. But, you know, when a free phone promotion comes out or an upgrade promotion comes out, you need to have the more expensive plan. So either you get this more expensive plan, or you don't get a free phone, or you don't get a discount on the upgrade. That's simple as that. So be wary about that. So it says nobody's being forced to switch to these new plans. Sure, but come iPhone season, you can bet that the new iPhone 15 on us deal will come with a requirement to move to the pricier new plan. And that is true. So basically they're going to say, hey, you want the iPhone 15, you can get it, but it's going to cost you by switching to the new plan. So of course you're not going to get all these perks and this and that. So that's how carriers get you guys. So yeah, like I said, I just like this article because it really does. I mean, they really put Verizon on blast. You know, they're saying, hey, you know, you're not making this plan better for anybody but yourselves, and that is true. Like I said, it's for-profit company. All the carriers are doing it, not just Verizon. But you know, with inflation sky high, you know, people's paychecks ain't getting fatter, but you know, rent's going up and this and that. You know, it's pretty crazy. So, you know, what can you do with Verizon? So, yeah. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you want me to make another video kind of showing you side-by-side the plans, let me know in the comments below. If you want to support the channel so I can make more videos like this, check out in the description below. There's ways you can support me and help the channel. Thanks so much, guys, and stay tuned for a lot more videos coming your way. And I think the storm is finally clearing up, so I can probably go to work now. Thank you.